Uh, Pwede na to ma-request ang spotlight palihog na i-inaanak lang para makita na to sila tanan. Okay. Paminaw ang tanan, parte rin ta. Okay. Gentlemen, everyone. Sakto yun ang galing mo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ano na to? Sino na to? Oh, tumal lang sa palihog. Backward lang. Sa line lang ka, pero tumal lang ka. Okay? So, everyone move to up, ano na yun, adjust na yun. Likewise, with competitor number, tingin na to, number 1. Try na to number 1, suma. Line lang. Likewise, with competitor number, tingin na to, number 2. Try number 2. Can we have next?
Pag-switch lang mo, okay? Number 8 o 11? 8. Number 8. Switch. 110. 1, tsaka 10. Switch ako.
Medyo kulakong ka sa lines, guys. Tungaw na to. Can we request everyone to please move backward? Reset. Ayaw, reset. Backward, all of you. We try 2 at 1, switch plan yung place. 2 at 1. 2 at 1. No. Yung number 2. I mean 2 at 6. Partering ka, kabalo mo sa partering no? Gentlemen, everyone, turn to your right now. Another turn to your right now, face at the back. Another turn to your right now. And your final turn, face front, all of you. Okay, thank you everyone. Now move backward. All of you, 6, 7 to 12. Adjust the mic. Can we request competitor number 10 to please come have yourself at the center of the line. Tukang kapaliw, number 10. Sige na po. Can we have number 7 and 11 switch place, paliho? 7 and 11. Let's try once more, switch place 7 and 10. Try na to. Okay, gentlemen. Kwarterita, pamina mo. Gentlemen, relax. Everyone, turn to your right now. Flex ang inyong siratus, ang inyong triceps. Alright, triceps. Okay, relax. Another quarter turn to your right now. Face on the back. Flex your latissimus dorsi, your lower back, your upper back. Alright, relax. Another quarter turn to your right now. Pakintain yung siratus, triceps. And your final turn, face in front, everyone. Okay, relax and please move to your respective places. Balik dito, according to your numbers. Okay, di sini na to ang number 2. 2, 1.
Number 3 mo po. Number 10, go forward.
Come forward, number 1. And number 7. Number 7.
Number 6, go forward.
Okay, duha ka na tag-isa. Again, this is not yet final, ha? This is not yet final. We are still in the comparison stage. May I request, number 5? Up forward, number 5. Okay, may I request competitor number Gahil, maningalain to. Gahil kaya pala is good. Okay, tanaw na to. Try na to switch.
Number 2 and number 10, switch. Number 3 and number 6, switch 2 and number 10. Switch kayo. 5 and... Number 1, switch.
Number 5, 1, switch. Number 10 at saka 2. Switch. 10, 2.
Okay, front post, everyone be tayo. Front post. Flex your abs tayo, tupagin. Alright, tupagin. Okay, relax. Face at the back, everyone. Flex at the back tayo. Okay, relax. Face front, everyone. Okay, relax. Go back to your places. Remaining 2, 4, 5. Front pose, everyone. Can we try switching places 4 and 11? Try lang to 4 and 11 pareho. Okay, show us your back pose pareho. Front, face, ito ba? Back pose. Okay, relax. Face front, everyone. Okay, let me now relax, everyone. You can now go back to your places, respective places. Okay, tagay lang sa amin. Gamay nga, dyan tayo. Okay, gamay lang ha.
Medyo bugat-bugat yun. This is the result of months of diet, discipline. Ano nila pinaghirapan. The next category will be for the first timer. By the way, we will have the awarding after every 2 categories, since we are still waiting for the accounting to arrive, accounting personnel sa province. So all athletes will receive their certificate of appreciation for the event.